Hi kids, in this video, learn First Aid Kit, important tools. Okay kids, let's go. See useful videos. Please subscribe my channel.
In our first aid kit we have some tools to help us out, follow these rules. Bandages, soft and white, wrap them round to keep things tight. Antiseptic spray, antiseptic spray that cleans so well, keeps infections away. Can you tell? Spray it like on a little cut, clean it up quick, no ifs or buts. First aid kit, we're here to stay, helping each other along the way. Without tools and now know how to make things better here and now. Scissors sharp, but handle with care. Cutting bandages, they're always there. Trim it neat with a steady hand. Helping out, we take a stand. First aid kit, we're here to stay, helping each other along the way. Without tools and now know how to make things better here and now, here and now. Tape so strong, holding things together, not too long. Stick it firm, but not too tight. Helping out with all our might. Gloves, disposable gloves should be worn when providing first aid to prevent the spread of germs.
Emergency blanket, also known